People think becoming rich is about luck, inheritance, or some secret opportunity that only a few people know about. But if you study people who actually build wealth, entrepreneurs, investors, and people who build strong stock portfolios, dividend income streams, or successful businesses, you'll notice something interesting. Their success didn't start with money. It started with a year of extreme focus. One year where they stopped treating money like a side topic and started treating it like a mission. Because wealth creation follows a predictable pattern. First, you change how you think about money. Second, you build skills that create income. Third, you turn that income into assets that grow your net worth. That's how people move from earning a salary to building capital, equity growth, passive income, and long-term financial freedom. Now let's be clear. Getting rich in 1 year doesn't mean becoming a billionaire overnight, but it absolutely means changing your financial trajectory forever. If you follow the next 10 steps with discipline, this could be the year your life changes financially. If success is your goal and you're ready to level up, make sure you subscribe. Every video is crafted to move you closer to the life you deserve. Step number 1. Make wealth your primary goal. Most people fail financially for one simple reason. Money is never their top priority. They want to get rich, but they also want comfort, entertainment, and social approval at the same time. Wealth doesn't work like that. For the next 12 months, your mindset needs to shift from consumer thinking to investor thinking. Instead of asking, "How can I spend money today?" start asking, "How can I turn this money into assets like stocks, index funds, real estate, or dividend-paying ETFs?" This means restructuring your daily life. Late-night scrolling becomes learning about markets. Weekend distractions become building income streams. Luxury spending becomes capital for investments. If you treat wealth like a hobby, you'll get hobby results. But if you treat wealth like a serious financial project, you'll start seeing real progress. Step 2. Build a high-income skill. Money flows to people who solve valuable problems, and the fastest way to increase income within a year is to build a high-value skill. These skills are the engines behind high earners. Skills like sales, digital marketing, copywriting, video editing, software development, data analysis, financial research, and stock market analysis. These are skills businesses are willing to pay thousands of dollars for. Because if you can help a company generate more revenue, leads, or market visibility, you instantly become valuable. For example, a digital marketer who helps a business generate $50,000 in extra revenue can easily charge $5,000 for that service. That's why wealthy individuals focus on income first, investing second. Because investments like stocks, ETFs, and mutual funds grow faster when you have more capital to deploy. Skill creates income. Income creates investment capital. Investment capital builds wealth. Because in the first year, success comes down to one thing: relentless focus. Step 3. Learn how money actually works. Most schools teach people how to earn a salary, but they rarely teach how to build net worth. Wealthy individuals understand the difference between income vs assets, consumption versus investment, short-term spending versus long-term compounding. For example, someone earning $60,000 per year who spends everything will remain financially stuck, but someone earning the same amount who invests consistently into index funds, dividend stocks, and ETFs could build a powerful investment portfolio over time. Historically, the S&P 500 has averaged about 10% annual returns. That means $10,000 invested today could grow into roughly $26,000 in 10 years without adding any additional money. This is the power of compound growth, and the earlier you understand it, the faster your wealth multiplies. Financial education isn't optional. It's the foundation of long-term wealth. Step 4. Move in silence and protect your focus. One of the biggest mistakes people make when they start chasing financial success is announcing their plans to everyone around them. The moment you start talking about building wealth, investing in stocks, launching a side business, or creating new income streams, you'll notice something strange. Instead of encouragement, you'll often receive doubt. People will question your decisions, warn you about risks, and sometimes even laugh at your ambitions. This doesn't happen because they hate you. It happens because most people are conditioned to play it safe financially. They're comfortable with a predictable paycheck, modest savings, and a life that never really changes. But building wealth requires stepping outside that comfort zone. When you publicly share your plans too early, you expose yourself to unnecessary negativity and pressure. Wealth builders understand this psychological trap, which is why they focus quietly and execute privately. They spend their time studying markets, improving their skills, and gradually building assets. Instead of telling everyone what you're going to achieve, spend the next year proving it through consistent action and financial progress. Step 5. Get close to money and financial knowledge. If you want to build wealth quickly, you must intentionally place yourself in environments where money is being created and discussed. Your surroundings shape your financial mindset more than most people realize. When your daily conversations revolve around bills, expenses, and financial stress, it becomes difficult to imagine a life of abundance. But when you surround yourself with people who talk about investments, entrepreneurship, portfolio growth, and passive income streams, your perspective changes dramatically. Wealthy individuals constantly study how money flows through the economy. They analyze business models, observe successful investors, and pay attention to how capital moves through markets. When you expose yourself to these conversations and insights daily, your thinking evolves from survival to strategy. Instead of asking how to save money, you begin asking how to multiply money. This shift in thinking is one of the most important transformations that occurs during a serious wealth-building journey. Step 6. Sell something valuable. Every wealthy person understands one universal rule: money flows through exchange. If you want to increase income quickly, you must sell something valuable. That could be a service, a digital product, consulting, marketing services, freelance work, educational content. The key is solving a problem people are already paying to solve. For example, businesses spend billions each year on marketing. If you can help a company generate customers, you're instantly valuable. The first goal isn't building a giant business. The first goal is simple: earn your first $100 from someone who doesn't know you personally. Because once a stranger pays you, it proves one thing: your skills have market value. One of the most powerful milestones in the journey toward wealth is earning money from someone who doesn't personally know you. This moment changes your entire perspective on income generation. When family or friends pay you, it can sometimes feel like support rather than proof of value. But when a stranger willingly spends money on your product or service, it confirms that your skills have real market demand. The amount doesn't matter in the beginning. If one person is willing to pay for your solution, there are likely hundreds or even thousands of others who would do the same. This realization opens the door to entrepreneurship and financial independence. Instead of trading time for a fixed salary, you start thinking about systems that allow you to serve many customers simultaneously. That's how businesses grow. And once income begins flowing consistently. Step 8. Build proof and social credibility. In today's digital economy, credibility is one of the most valuable assets you can build. Customers want reassurance that you can deliver the results you promise. That's why documenting your work and showcasing successful outcomes becomes extremely important. Whenever you help a client solve a problem, improve their business, or generate measurable results, capture that experience as proof of your ability. Testimonials, case studies, and before and after comparisons act as powerful trust signals for future customers. For example, if you helped a business increase revenue through improved marketing or optimized online systems, documenting that transformation becomes a marketing asset for your future services. Over time, these documented successes form a portfolio of credibility that makes selling easier and faster. This principle also applies to investing. When people see evidence that your strategy works, they feel confident working with you. And confidence in the marketplace directly translates into higher income potential and stronger financial opportunities. Step 9. Master one distribution channel. A common mistake beginners make is trying to grow everywhere at once. They attempt to build an audience on every social media platform, launch multiple products, and experiment with countless strategies simultaneously. But wealth builders understand the power of focus. Instead of spreading their attention across dozens of channels, they dominate one platform first. That platform might be YouTube, social media marketing, email newsletters, online communities, or paid advertising. By focusing on a single distribution channel, you learn exactly how to reach your target audience, communicate your value, and convert attention into revenue. The principle is simple. Attention creates opportunity. When people know you exist and understand the value you provide, generating income becomes much easier. Focus creates mastery, and mastery creates momentum. Step 10. Reinvest and scale your wealth. The final step in accelerating your wealth-building journey is learning how to reinvest your earnings intelligently. Many people make the mistake of increasing their lifestyle the moment they start earning more money. Instead of building wealth, they simply upgrade their expenses. Wealthy individuals take the opposite approach. When their income increases, they reinvest aggressively into assets and opportunities that generate future growth. Step 10. Reinvest and scale your wealth. The final step in accelerating your wealth-building journey is learning how to reinvest your earnings intelligently. Many people make the mistake of increasing their lifestyle the moment they start earning more money. Instead of building wealth, they simply upgrade their expenses. Wealthy individuals take the opposite approach. When their income increases, they reinvest aggressively into assets and opportunities that generate future growth. This could mean expanding a business, investing in technology that increases productivity, or building a diversified investment portfolio that includes equities, ETFs, dividend stocks, and other income-producing assets. Here's the reality. Most people will watch a video like this and feel motivated for a few minutes. But then life continues exactly the same. The same habits, the same financial decisions, the same results. But a small percentage of people will take action. They'll start learning. They'll build valuable skills. They'll create income streams. And they'll begin investing into stocks, index funds, ETFs, and long-term assets that build financial freedom. For those people, this year becomes something special. The year they stopped surviving and started building wealth. Because the biggest difference between broke and wealthy people isn't intelligence. It's consistent financial action. So the real question is simple. Will this just be another video you watched, or the moment you decided to change your financial future forever? In every video, I try to discuss and address the factors that surely improve the chances of your success. If you like this also, subscribe the channel, like, and share the wealthy knowledge to your loved ones. See you in the next one.